It's a 2015 Lincoln MKC. No matter what path you're on, you'll stay composed in this Lincoln MKC. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights the sharp, distinctive styling, spacious cabin, powerful and fuel-efficient engine, and cutting-edge electronics. Unforgettable journeys and possibilities await you in this Lincoln. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.